Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Google Sheets with a beginner's guide to spreadsheets. So, let's get started. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for organizing, analyzing, and presenting data. It's a part of the Google Docs suite, which also includes Google Docs and Google Slides. To access Google Sheets, simply log into your Google account and click on the Sheets icon. You can create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the New button. Now, let's talk about the basics of a spreadsheet. The top row is called the header, and it's used to label the columns. The leftmost column is labeled A, the next is B, and so on. Each cell in a spreadsheet can hold a single piece of data, like a number, text, or formula. You can enter data by clicking on a cell and typing. That's it for our Google Sheets 101 tutorial. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay with TechVerse today.